Here's a 2021 Audi Q8. If what you need is aggressive good looks, versatility for everyday driving, and high-performance fun, the Q8 has it all in one package. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, autonomous cruise control, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and intercooled turbo V6 engine. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on 1141 Cobb Parkway Southeast in Marietta, Georgia.